President Emmerson Mnangagwa's election as the incoming chairperson of the Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa (COMESA) has sparked widespread criticism, with many Zimbabweans questioning the relevance of his new regional title while citizens continue to suffer under worsening economic conditions. Salamda mashoko buda panguva ino mnyanyi wachizi Mnangagwa lands COMESA chairmanship amid deteriorating living standards in Zimbabwe. It was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina Munamo Bengamchinzi. Although state media hailed the appointment as a diplomatic achievement, critics argue that does little to address the harsh realities facing ordinary people, including rampant inflation, crippling unemployment, and the steady decline in the basic public services. The COMESA summit held in Nairobi, Kenya, focused on removing trade barriers and improving regional cooperation. However, analysts say Zimbabwe's government has repeatedly failed to manage its own economy, making Mnangagwa's leadership in a regional trade bloc appear hollow and symbolic. The president is busy celebrating international recognition, while people at home can't afford bread and transport, said one economist. It's a case of misplaced priorities. Mnangagwa was received with pomp and ceremony at Robert Gabriel Mugabe International Airport by his deputies, senior government officials, and security chiefs, a display critics described as extravagant and out of touch with the hardships faced by the majority of citizens. Despite the grand welcome, the mood on the ground remained grim, as many Zimbabweans struggle to see how Mnangagwa's new COMESA role will bring any meaningful change to their lives. Thomas Karuda panguva ino anachikondema Mnangagwa's new role as COMESA chairman. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Ndakumayi section medu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.